In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collection list in Webflow. A collection list is the dynamic repeater that displays content from your CMS, like blog posts, products, or categories. By the end, you'll have a bound list on your page, styled the way you want, and ready to publish. Start by opening your Webflow project in the Designer. On the left, open the Elements panel, then expand the CMS section. From here, choose the collection list component. Click the highlighted spot on your canvas where you want the list to appear so Webflow knows where to place it. With the collection list selected, look for the source control that currently says None. Click None to choose which collection to bind. Select blog posts to connect your list to your blog content. You'll instantly see your items populate in the canvas as repeating cards. If you'd like to see how this component behaves with other data, click back into the same source control and select Products, then Categories, and even Items. This is a quick way to confirm that your layout works for different collections before you commit to one. When you're done previewing, pick the collection you actually want to use. If your collection is empty, click the empty state to preview how the list will look with no items. This is a great place to add a friendly message or a prompt to check back later, so your page still looks intentional even without data. Next, use the highlighted layout controls to fine-tune how items flow. Adjust the direction, decide whether items wrap to the next line, and tweak gaps between cards. Try a few options, and watch how the list responds so you can land on a layout that fits your design. Open the Style tab on the right to design the list and its child elements. Set typography, spacing, borders, and backgrounds. Remember that styles applied to the collection item affect every repeated card consistently, which keeps your design uniform. Switch to the Settings tab to manage the data behavior. Here you can set sort order, add filters to narrow which items show, and limit the number of results if you only want to display a subset. Move to the Interactions tab to add subtle animations, like fading items in as they load or animating on hover, which can make the list feel more polished. When everything looks good, click Publish to push your changes live. That's it. Your collection list is connected, styled, and online.